Hi, I'm Dr. James Green, Star Image Dentistry. Today's question is, what are the most common restorative dental procedures? One is a cosmetic filling or a composite filling. We use those when you have a cavity that's relatively small in a tooth and there's not a lot of destruction, but just part of the tooth is broken or decayed and needs to be replaced. These are done with local anesthesia. They're very comfortable to place. It just takes a few minutes. They blend right in. You never even know they're there. The next is a full porcelain crown. We use those when teeth are more damaged, have old fillings that are breaking, or they're cracking or have had a root canal type treatment. A porcelain crown covers the whole top of the tooth that you see above the gum, replaces all that, and gets it back into function. We can make the color whatever matches your teeth, and these are normally done in a single visit, if there's just one or two of them, in the office. So we prepare the tooth, we scan it digitally, we design it, we make it, and we place it the same day, so you go home with your brand new tooth. The other restorative procedures, such as implants, are a little more complicated, but they're also very common, and we'll get into those at another time. Hi.